Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video. I'm Nicole. If you don't know, now you know. Also, if you don't know, all you gotta do is tell 10 friends to tell 10 friends to like, comment, subscribe, and y'all will like it here. So.
Yeah. I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good, girl. Why you smiling? It's 3 in the morning. Why you driving? Why you stopping for gas to get on the highway just to end up in my place?
First thing first, we're gonna thank Trust Wellness for sponsoring this video because they sent your girl a whole waxing kit. So let's do it. So they sent us a whole waxing kit. I'm not sure if y'all familiar with waxing, but I used to do my own Brazilian wax, waxing my underarms, facial wax. But right here, this is the hard wax beads. Perfect for all skin types, y'all. So we just gotta figure out which one we need. I'm gonna show y'all everything that we got. But before we do that, we're gonna pull her out the box. So this is what she look like. Okay. Of course I got pink because pink is my favorite color. So this is her here. We're gonna plug her up so we can get her warming up. This is the top. And this is the top or the beads though, okay? Put the top on there. Okay, so they give you the large sticks and the small sticks. I always use the small ones. That's just my preference. So they also sent me this thank you card. More instructions, warranty, stuff like that. You can scan this QR code if you need help. I don't need help. Give you a beginner book. And this right here is the little tags that go around it so you won't make a mess. And of course, we're gonna put that on. So we don't want to make a mess. Boom. Okay. This is good. Put that in there. See that? So you gonna mess your pot up. Okay, so we got 2 steps going on. We got the pre-wax spray. This is it right here. Let me see it. Let me turn this on so you can see it. It's the pre-wax spray. And then we got the after wax spray. Okay, so the 2 of those. And they give you 2 sprayers. And then the last thing, y'all, we got the wax beads. Let's see. They're different scents. Okay, so we got lavender. That's the lavender one. And we got zest lemon down right there. And we got peppermint. Ooh, I think I'm gonna use peppermint. Peppermint. And then we got tea tree. And then we got the eucalyptus. Yeah, right there. But I'm gonna use the peppermint. Now we're about to start. Pour our beads into our pot. Okay. Now we're gonna set our time. Put the top on. So now we got the wax warming up. Now we need to prep the skin. What I mean by prep the skin, you want to make sure your skin is clean, free from any lotions or oils, anything like that. I had washed my face this morning, but I got my warm towel. I want to just make sure I got it clean again, make sure there's no oil on it. So clean it real good. A little problem under here, so make sure I get all the oil from under there. My upper lip. Alright. So now we got the skin clean. Okay. We did that. Let it air dry a little bit. While I let it air dry, check the wax. Okay, the wax looking good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so the wax going. Now we're gonna turn it baby down. Gonna drop it down to like 150. Okay. Drop that baby down to 150. Like I'm gonna do a little test. What ain't too hot? Oh, I like this. Oh, okay. I see what we're doing. Okay. I see what we're doing. I just put a little test on my hand. So when I apply mine, I apply it, then I wait like a good 30 to 45 seconds, then pull. Okay. I see what's going on here. I like that. Let me put some on my lips, because my lips like it's dry. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the pre-wax spray. Okay, so spray that area. That smells good. I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm just waiting on the light to turn green. Once the light turns green on the machine, that's actually when the temperature reaches level. Okay, so let's see. So when I do my wax on my lip, I like to do one side at a time. And let me show you what I mean by that. So when waxing, you always wax in the direction your hair grow. You know that, right? So I'll go here. I like to just do one side at a time. All right. Like that. Okay. Y'all see that? Just a little bit. Cause we don't need a lot. We're gonna wait about 30 to 45 seconds, then we're gonna pull them. I like to kind of go in sections. Oh yeah. And my hair grows down, so I'm not gonna pull down, pull up. All right. Ooh, that lip right there, baby. All right. You know you're gonna pull the skin. All right. I can get it. I already been water. Ooh, baby. And it look good. All right, let's do the other side.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Came back to you. Shit like that. I did this side first. I just had a little bit down there and I had some right there by my lips. I see what's going on. I like this. Honestly, I feel like this is the best wax I ever used. When I tell y'all the cleanup, oh my God, easy. All right, that's it. Ooh. Not bad at all. I'm not mad at you, baby. There we go. Tell that look good. Now, let's go with the chin.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking now I'm.
You guys can see it or not. And maybe it might be gross to y'all, but it works. So good. Last step, y'all. I'm gonna do my final cleanup. And I'm gonna be done.
Thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out.
Ooh. Alright. So what I mean by final cleanup, it's just gonna be a couple of hairs, the ones that you left behind. See that? We done with the waxing, and when I tell you, baby, this looks so good, my skin feel good, everything just came out perfect. Now, we done with that. Next, we're gonna go in with the after wax spray. Okay, we're gonna go in with this. We're gonna get everywhere that we waxed out. Poof. And this right here remove all the residue, okay? Just do the same towel when we wash our face off with it and to remove everything. Oh, baby, conditioning, moisturizing. Okay, I hear it. Lock it all in. Oh. And it come off so easy. So that's what we got, y'all. I'm done, y'all. My skin look good, feel good, and smell good. When I tell y'all, these products are bomb, baby. Thank you, Tress Wellness, for sponsoring this video. 10 out of 10. With that being said, you already know what's next, baby. All you gotta do is tell 10 people to tell 10 people to tell 10 more people to like, comment, subscribe. And it's just like that. Sudden Mop, I'm out.
Yeah. I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good, girl. Why you smiling? It's 3 in the morning. Why you driving? Why you stopping for gas to get on the highway just to end up in my place?